In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can unlock Apple Intelligence on your iPhone 17 Pro in just a few taps. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But begin by opening up your settings app on your iPhone, and what you're going to want to do is just scroll down a little bit until you see this Apple Intelligence and Siri setting right here. Open that up, and from within here you're going to see a button that actually says turn on Apple Intelligence. Go ahead and select that and turn it on. A pop-up is going to appear to set it up. Go ahead and select that and follow those on-screen instructions, and then from here you may be asked to set up a new Siri with voice activation. Go ahead and select that, or if you don't set it up now, you can go back into it by going into the talk and type Siri section and turn on something like Hey Siri, for example. But once again, follow those on-screen instructions, do whatever it tells you to do. And when the setup finishes, try a command like Hey Siri. It'll actually light up your screen, and then you could say something like open up Instagram. And then obviously it would open up Instagram. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. Apple Intelligence is now going to be enabled and ready to use. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.